Hello, and thank you for viewing the Ramp Champ Safety Edge Paving Shoe Equipment Loan Toolbox video, provided to you by the Ohio LTAP Center. What is the Ramp Champ Safety Edge Paving Shoe? The Ramp Champ is the first model safety edge paving shoe from Advent Edge Paving Equipment LLC. The Ramp Champ has a tapered 30-degree safety edge. It is designed to make our highway safer by reducing the number of runoff accidents. This unit is reversible, so there is no need to purchase a unit for the left side and right side. The Ramp Champ is fitted with shoes that create the desired edge profile. The shoes are detachable by the operator, so a Ramp Champ being used as a safety edge maker can be transformed quickly into a longitudinal center line joint maker. The safety edge shoe has two forming surfaces. The leading surface is at an angle to the direction of travel and funnels the asphalt to aid compaction. The trailing surface is in line with the direction of travel. It acts as a trowel to smooth the surface and also as the surface which transmits the radial force, thereby increasing compaction of the edge. The safety edge shoe is designed to create an edge up to a maximum vertical drop of approximately 5 inches. This information was provided by the Advent Paving Equipment Ramp Champ Manual. What is a safety edge and why is it important? The safety edge is a paving detail that consolidates the pavement edge into a 30-degree angle to mitigate pavement edge drop-offs. Drop-offs occur when there are height differences between the paved road and the adjacent graded material. Conventional paving techniques result in vertical or nearly vertical pavement edges, which can cause safety concerns when they are exposed. Drivers leave the paved road for many reasons. Some may need to avoid a drunk driver or roadway obstruction. Others are drowsy or distracted by a phone call, a text message, a GPS device, or a passenger. It is particularly easy to leave the paved road when visibility is low. Returning to the paved road can be challenging when vertical edge drop-offs are present. A driver who doesn't slow down before attempting to steer back onto the pavement can easily lose control of the car. Attempts to return to the road can create tire scrubbing, as the tire rubs intensely against the vertical edge, causing friction between the wheel and the pavement. If the driver overcompensates by steering too hard, the vehicle can fishtail, swerve into another lane, or go off the road entirely. The vehicle may roll over or be thrown into oncoming traffic. Inexperienced drivers are not the only victims of tire scrubbing. Smaller, lighter vehicles have a hard time climbing a steep pavement edge. The FHWA in 2010 estimated about 11,000 people were injured and about 160 people lose their lives each year in crashes related to pavement edge drop-offs in the United States. In Iowa, pavement edges may have contributed to as many as 17 to 25% of crashes on rural two-lane roads. They also found that pavement edge drop-off crashes were almost twice as likely to result in a fatal crash as other off-the-road crashes. In Missouri, that percentage was nearly 25%. At high speeds, the climb back onto the pavement is particularly dangerous. A vertical drop-off of 2.5 inches or greater has been shown to be problematic at speeds of 55 to 60 miles per hour. However, with the safety edge, drop-offs of up to 5 inches are transversible at these speeds. Key parts. The Ramp Champ consists of 6 major components: the mounting plate, the box, the wedge, the radial force cylinder, a shoe, and a flap. The mounting plate remains fixed and bolted to the screen, thereby providing a foundation for the Ramp Champ to perform its functions. The box slides up and down vertically between the guide rails of the mounting plate. The wedge, which is located on the bottom of the box, is designed to rotate or flatten out so that 1. Different slope angles can be formed, and 2. It can follow changes in the elevation of the adjacent road shoulder. On the bottom face of the wedge are 4 tap holes, which are used to attach the shoe. The radial force cylinder produces downward and inward force on the shoe, which produces unique features. The shoe, depending upon the profile chosen, produces either a tapered safety edge along the edge of the road or a longitudinal center line joint. The shoe is attached to the bottom of the wedge with screws and lock washers. The flap limits the amount of excess asphalt that may seep between the end gate and the wedge. For more information about these parts, please refer to the Advent Edge Paving Equipment Ramp Champ Manual. Manufacturer Installation Steps 1 through 4. The link to the Advent Edge Paving Equipment Ramp Champ Manual will be provided in the description of this video. However, you are encouraged to pause and read through the directions entirely. Step 1. Detach mounting plate from box. Step 2. Position paver and screen. Step 3. Position mounting plate. Step 4. Mark holes. Manufacturer Installation Steps 5 and 6. The link to the Advent Edge Paving Equipment Ramp Champ Manual will be provided in the description of this video. However, you are encouraged to pause and read through the directions entirely. Step 5. Drilling holes. Step 5A. Easy access to the back of screen extension. Step 5B. Difficult access to back of screen extension. Step 6. Attaching ramp champ to paving machine. Given the weight of this item, it is a pickup-only item. You can pick it up at the ODOT Central Office. Shipping and delivery is not available. The ramp champ does come fully assembled with the shoe and mounting hardware. Warning, the ramp champ is very heavy, approximately 100 pounds. For any and all questions regarding the Equipment Loan Program, please contact Ray Brochure, 614-387-0523. Helpful links and resources used in this video will be provided in the description. Thank you for watching.